Today, I'll show you how to upgrade an older Lexus ES. This is its original center console. First, we'll remove the air vents. Unplug the connectors from the air vents. Then, start the engine. Shift to neutral to make enough space. Remove the cigarette lighter panel. Remember to shift back to parking and turn off the engine after removing the panels. Now, unplug this connector. Next, there are gray plastic panels on each side. Remove them. Each panel has a screw inside. Unscrew them. Now, go back to the air vent area. Remove the 2 screws on each side after removing all screws. You can take out the original screen. There are many connectors on the back. Don't worry. Just unplug them all. This is what it looks like after removal. Now, let's wire the new screen. This is the GPS antenna. This is just a demonstration. In practice, route it through the glove box to the pillar. This is the 4G antenna. There are 2 of these. Also route it to the pillar. This is the reverse video input cable. This is the USB data cable. There are 2 of these. In practice, route them to the glove box. This is the RCA and SIM card slot cable. The SIM card slot cable also needs to be routed to the glove box. This is the power cable for the new screen. Connect it to the protocol box. Now, connect the new power cables to the original plugs. Match the connectors by size to the new power cable. If it doesn't fit, leave it disconnected. After connecting, it looks like this. The 2 white connectors on the right are not needed. Now, connect the OBD cable. One end to the new power cable, the other ends to the original OBD port. This is the button panel serial port. This is the communication port. The new screen has 2 metal parts. Identify the holes and attach them to the back. This is the original radio connector. Plug it into the new screen. Connect the yellow plug on the new power cable to the video input cable. This is the screen power plug. Connect it as well. Install the new screen. Secure the screws on both sides. Reconnect the air vent panel plugs. Reinstall the air vent panels. Reconnect the cigarette lighter panel plug. Again, start the engine and shift to neutral. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the gray panels on both sides. This is what it looks like after installation. Because this car has a protocol, we need to set it up before use. Go to Settings and Factory Settings. Enter 8888 and choose Protocol Settings. Select Car Model. Click Confirm. Select Model Year. Note that you need to connect to Wi-Fi before setting. You can use your phone's hotspot to control the screen with steering wheel buttons. You need to do some learning. First, go to Settings. Find Button Learning. Then, on the screen, tap the corresponding steering wheel button icon. Press and hold the steering wheel button. When it turns green, it means learning is successful. Now, go to Settings. Go to Original Car Setting. Go to Amplifier Interface. Increase the last one to about 30, so the volume will be normal when playing sound. You can also use buttons to control the AC. You can play local or online music from other apps. Adjust the sound to your preference. Set the volume for each seat individually. Listen to your favorite radio station. Watch local or online videos from other apps. Supports local and online navigation from other apps. Supports Bluetooth music. Use steering wheel buttons to answer or hang up calls. Supports wireless Carplay, Android Auto, and Huawei HiCar. You can use the voice assistant to make calls, play music, use online navigation, and other phone functions. That's it for this video. There are other car videos on my channel. Feel free to check them out.